You know the rectangular form of a complex number, that is z is equal to x plus I y. A complex number can be represented by a point in a plane. So this is rectangular coordinate system, x-axis, y-axis, then z is equal to x plus iy. It can be represented by an ordered pair x comma y. Now there is another system of coordinate system, that is polar coordinate system. So here there is a initial reference line, initial line, and a point. A point can be represented by its distance from the pole. This point is called the pole, that is represented by O. This distance is r, and the angle which the line OP makes with the initial line is theta. Theta is measured in radians in the counterclockwise direction. So P is represented by r comma theta. Now we can superimpose this on this, and here P is represented by ordered pair x comma y. In polar coordinate system it is represented by r comma theta. R is the distance from the pole and theta is the angle measured in radians. Now cos theta is x by r, so x can be written as r cos theta. Sin theta is y by r, so y can be written as r sin theta. Then this distance can be written like this: r is equal to square root of x square plus y square. According to Pythagoras theorem, r square is x square plus y square, so r is root of x square plus y square. Now this is the rectangular form of the complex number. For this x we can substitute r cos theta plus I. For this y you can substitute r sin theta. Then this r can be taken outside. Z is equal to r cos theta plus I sin theta. This is polar form of the complex number. Then when you divide this equation by this equation, r will get cancelled. Then sin theta by cos theta is tan theta, that is equal to y by x. The real number theta measured in radians can have infinite number of values which differ by 2 pi. But there is another value, unique value, which will be in between minus pi and pi. So that is called the principal value of the argument. The real number theta is the angle made by the line OP with the initial line. Theta can have infinite number of values differing by 2 pi radians. But there is a unique value for theta in between minus pi and plus pi, that is known as principal value or argument of the complex number. It is in between minus pi and plus pi. When angle is in the first quadrant, theta is same as alpha, where alpha is tan inverse modulus of y by x. When the complex number is in the first quadrant, theta is same as alpha, and alpha is tan inverse modulus of y by x. When the complex number is in the second quadrant, theta is pi minus alpha. So now this is theta. So this is alpha. So theta is pi minus alpha. So then it will be in between. Theta will be in between minus pi and plus pi. Theta is pi minus alpha. When the complex number is in the third quadrant. Now it is in the third quadrant. If it is in the third quadrant, this is theta. Now theta is alpha minus pi. So this is minus pi. This is plus pi. Pi minus alpha. Pi minus alpha. In this case, theta is alpha minus pi. If angle is in the fourth quadrant, or the complex number is in the fourth quadrant, theta is minus alpha. You can see in the first quadrant, theta is alpha, that is rotation is counterclockwise, so positive angle. Convention is, if it is counterclockwise, positive. Here it is clockwise, so theta is minus alpha, where alpha is tan inverse y by x. Now here there are some properties of argument of complex numbers. Theta is the argument of the complex number. Argument of Z1 into Z2 is equal to argument of Z1 plus argument of Z2. Argument of Z1 divided by Z2 is argument of Z1 minus argument of Z2. Argument of Z raised to n is n times argument of Z. Now let us plot some complex numbers on the complex plane. Now this is Z is equal to r cos theta plus I sin theta in this form. So here in the place of r we have got 5. So 5 is the modulus and pi by 4 is the argument. So you can plot in this. So you consider circle. First a circle with a radius 1. This is a circle with a radius 2. This is 3. So 5. Angle is pi by 4. Pi by 4. That is 45 degree. So here. So first complex number is represented by this point. Second complex number, modulus is 4. Argument is 2 pi by 3. 2 pi radian, that is 360 degree. 360 divided by 3 is 120. So argument is 2 pi by 3. Modulus is 4. Then 1 here. So here argument is 2 pi by 3. That is 120 degree. The first case 45 degree, 120 degree, and that is this complex number is represented by this point. Here argument is modulus is 3. Modulus is 3. Argument is minus pi by 6. So it is negative value. So minus pi by 6. So it will be here. Minus 5 pi by 6. Minus 5 into pi radians. So it's degree, 180 degree by 6. So minus 150. That is why it is here. Minus 150 degree. Now this can be written like this. 2 cos, here we want to plus. So this can be written as minus pi by 6 plus I sin minus pi by 6. So here modulus is 2. So 2. Argument is minus pi by 6. So it will be in the fourth quadrant. So here 2 minus pi by 6. Here 2 minus pi by 6. It will be here.